Hello everyone, welcome to St. Peter's School. Children, open your term book, page number 172, lesson number 17, signboards. So children, here are some pictures are given. You have to say this picture and write the signboard. So children, let's start. Identify the different signboard seen at various public places. Write them below the pictures. So children, choose your answer from the help box. So children, come to the first picture. What you see in this picture? See the arrow sign, left or right? Left. So children, write down in the first picture, keep left. Keep left. KEEPLEFT, left. Done children? Come to the next sign. Come to the next picture. What do you say in this sign? Cross. So what is this is a danger. So children, in the second picture you have write down danger. This sign of danger. DANGER, danger. Done. Come to the third one. What is this? This is a theater, and here are some. Listen, see this in this. What you say in this picture? Metro, theater. So house full. In this picture, what do you see? A man is saying the theater is house full. So children, in third picture you have write down house full. HOUSEFULL, full. Done students? Fourth picture, what you see in this picture? What is this? This is a library. So what you do in the library? Keep silence. So children, what you see in this picture? What you do? What you see? Some students are reading the books in the library. So children, here write down silence please. SILENCE, silence please. Done students? Come to the fifth one. What is this? This is a dustbin. So children, write down here use me. USEME, use me. Done? Come to the next sixth one. What is this? This is a wall. So stick no bills. It means do not stick any type of bills. So children, write down here stick no bills. STICK, stick. NO, no bills. BILLS. Done? Children, come to the next picture. Page 173. Many people are standing, so they have to stand in a queue. So children, write down 7 pictures. Stand in a queue. STAND, stand in. in queue. Stand in a queue. QUEUE. Done? Come to the next picture. Picture number 8. What is this? Is a flower. So do not pluck flower. So children, what you write in the 8th picture? Write down DO, NOT, not, pluck, PLUCK, flowers. FLOWERS. Done? Come to the next one, 9th one. Some workers are doing their work. What you write here in the 9th picture? Work in a progress, because they are working. So children, in this 9th picture, write down work in a progress. WORK in progress. PROGRESS. Done? What do you see in the 10th picture? Picture number 10. A moving vehicle. Truck. So keep safe distance. It means you have to keep safe distance. Yes. So children, write down 10th picture. Keep safe distance. KEEP, keep. Safe, SAFE, safe. Distance, DISTANCE, distance. Done? Come to the 11th picture. What is this? A bungalow. In a bungalow, what you see? A dog. Beware of dog. In this bungalow, what you see? Dog. So children, beware of dogs. So children, in 11 picture, write down beware. BEWARE, beware of dogs, DOGS. Then come to the next one, number 12. What is this? In a hospital. And what you see in this picture? A patient and a sister. So no admission. Matlab hospital is full. So no admission. ADMISSION. Then students, come to the next row, number 13 picture. P and cross. What is sign of P and cross? This is a no parking. So where you see in this sign, do not park your vehicle. Yes. So children, in the 13th picture, you write down no parking. No PARKING. Done students? Come to the last one. 14. Arrow sign and cross it. So children, do not entry. No entry. So in the 14th picture, students write down no entry. No ENTRY. No entry. Done students? All are completed this? Yes. So children, we are completed here all the lesson. In the next class, we will start revision. Thank you.